Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show UK 49 prediction for Friday 8 February 2024. Today lunchtime, single prediction numbers. Number 1, number 13, number 34, number 35, number 46, number 47. Today lunchtime, single prediction number repeat. Number 1, number 13, number 34, number 35, number 46, number 47. Now lunchtime, second prediction numbers. Number 2, number 3, number 11, number 18, number 24, number 40. Today lunchtime, second prediction number repeat. Number 2, number 3, number 11, number 18, number 24, number 40. Now lunchtime, bonus ball numbers. Number 44 or number 49. Today lunchtime, bonus ball number repeat. Number 44 or number 49. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Today tea time prediction for Friday 8 February 2024. Today tea time single prediction numbers. Number 11, number 12, number 24, number 29, number 33, number 47. Today tea time single prediction number repeat. Number 11, number 12, number 24, number 29, number 33, number 47. Now tea time second prediction numbers. Number 10, number 13, number 20, number 22, number 28, number 30. Today tea time second prediction number repeat. Number 10, number 13, number 22, number 28, number 30. Tea time bonus ball numbers. Number 37 or number 48. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat. Number 37 or number 48. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.